Big tech is pouring an estimated $650 billion into AI compute infrastructure this year alone. They are in a massive race to build out the physical servers needed to run next-generation models. But you cannot run those servers without power. The traditional centralized power grids are maxed out, and new connections can take years. This is where Bloom Energy steps in. They offer a way for data centers and massive corporations to bring their own power directly to the site, bypassing those gridlocked public utilities entirely. By solving this massive time-to-power delay, Bloom has evolved. They are providing mission-critical infrastructure that keeps the digital economy running. Wall Street caught on fast. Because they provide a direct solution to the AI power shortage, Bloom Energy's stock price has climbed over 1,300% in the last 12 months. If you are looking at those returns right now, you face a tough choice. Are you getting in early on a massive energy transition? Or are you paying top dollar at the absolute peak of an AI hype cycle? To figure that out, we have to run a reality check. We need to separate Bloom's real-world operational success from the mathematical reality of its Wall Street valuation. A company can build incredible products, but that does not automatically make its stock a safe investment if the price you pay to own it is completely disconnected from the actual numbers. The foundation of this company is a physical piece of hardware called the Bloom Energy Server, which runs on solid oxide fuel cell technology. It generates continuous electricity on site. There is no combustion involved. Instead, it uses an electrochemical reaction with natural gas, biogas, or hydrogen to keep the power flowing 24/7. The primary advantage is speed. These units can be installed and operational in as little as 90 days. For a data center facing a 3-year wait for a traditional grid connection, that speed is extremely valuable. This chart illustrates the financial result of that speed. You can see the massive jump to a record $751 million in revenue for Q1 2026, marking a 130% year-over-year increase and securing non-GAAP profitability. But this rapid growth relies heavily on a handful of massive deals. Bloom sells multi-gigawatt deployments to a very concentrated list of massive clients, like Oracle and Brookfield. Because 87% of their business comes from these hardware sales, their revenue is extremely lumpy. If a single major project gets delayed by a few weeks, the company could suffer a massive quarterly earnings miss. Even with that concentration risk, the company has executed their strategy. They are a profitable industrial hardware manufacturer with a highly functional business. The problem is that Wall Street knows this, and the current stock price assumes the company will never make a single mistake. To understand exactly how expensive a stock is relative to its actual cash generation, investors use valuation multiples, specifically a metric called enterprise value to sales. On this comparison matrix, the numbers are concerning. Bloom trades at 24.4 times 2026 sales and 139 times forward earnings. Compare that to Caterpillar or Cummins, trading at 3 to 4 times sales. Investors are paying premium software prices for capital-intensive physical metal boxes. A 24 times forward sales multiple leaves no room for standard business cycles. To justify the price you pay today, Bloom has to execute its massive multi-gigawatt backlog flawlessly for the next 10 years. Paying that kind of extreme premium means you are accepting zero margin of error. Every bit of potential upside is already baked into the stock price, leaving you exposed to heavy losses if they miss a single target. And there are real external threats that could cause them to miss those targets. For example, since these servers run primarily on natural gas, a severe spike in global commodity prices would instantly wipe out the cost savings pitch they use to sell to data centers. There is also competition. If cheaper alternative on-site power technologies emerge, or if the traditional public utilities manage to speed up their grid connection times, Bloom's market share would take a direct hit. When a stock is this expensive, normal business hurdles become catastrophic for shareholders. If the AI hype cools or revenue growth slows down even slightly, the multiple will compress. That kind of mathematical correction could trigger a 40% to 70% collapse in the share price. Bloom is a highly capable company, but when you pay too much to own it, totally normal operational hiccups will still trigger a devastating crash in your portfolio. If you bought Bloom Energy early and are currently sitting on massive portfolio gains, you are in a great position. It is completely natural to want to hold on to your entire position, hoping to ride this powerful AI momentum wave even higher. But holding an oversized position at these prices is dangerous. If that multiple violently compresses, this stock could inflict disproportionate damage to your net worth. The smartest, risk-adjusted move right now is to secure your profits. Consider trimming your holdings down until Bloom makes up a maximum 1.5% speculative sleeve. Actively taking cash off the table protects the money you have already made, while keeping a small foot in the door in case they surprise the market again. If you're a new investor on the sidelines feeling the intense fear of missing out, you need to hear this very clearly. Do not initiate a new position at the current price of roughly $300. This chart shows exactly where the math makes sense. Wait for a price between $140 and $165. This target range provides the required margin of safety, protecting your capital against hardware degradation, service liabilities, and natural market volatility. Patience is an active and necessary investment strategy. Protect your capital and wait for the market to offer a rational mathematical price.